Kumbaya! This is a great idea, Annabelle. Going to the park to cheer on the runners in the Metropolis Marathon while we sit idly by enjoying a lovely picnic.
Oh, Eek, it should be joyous. I only wish Sharky were here to enjoy it with us.
Yeah, well, you know Sharky, Annabelle. Patriotic Warriors is on TV, and Sharky never misses an episode. He's in a better place.
Next up, the beautiful Platinum goes head-to-head with the most disturbed opponents ever, Verb. That's right, Vic. Svetlana the bulbous-bottomed behemoth and Wanda the terribly put-out pencil pusher from the motor vehicle department.
Here, Annabelle, this looks like a great spot to watch the race. Kumbaya, we have a perfect view of the race course. And look, Annabelle, it's the incredible Elmo. Boy, he sure looks in shape. Just look at him flex those antlers. Hi, incredible Elmo, over here. Are you okay, incredible Elmo?
I'm just fine, Aunt Fifi.
Boy, you look great out there, incredible Elmo. Are you ready for the big race?
You betcha! I have to win the prize money so my little brother Timmy can have an operation. He's run out of gravity.
Kumbaya, I hope you win, incredible Elmo.
It's in the bag, little kitty. Just look at my opponents. There's Dakota, the dysfunctional turtle. And over there's Ingram, the inchworm. He doesn't even have feet.
I can win. I can win. Eye of the tiger. Eye of the tiger. I am squashed like a bug. I am squashed like a bug. I googie.
Oh, Eek, look, that's the amazing Seymour the Sloth, the fastest marathon runner in the whole world.
Mr. Sloth, do you have any comment for your millions of fans? I'd just like to say to kids everywhere to stay off drugs, stay in school, and remember, professional athletics is not all about winning, it's about sportsmanship, about being decent and fair and honest.
Oh, Mr. Sloth, you're my hero. Could I have your autograph?
$10, kid.
Oh, no, I can't beat that sloth. He looks like a champion.
Now, Elmo, that Mr. Sloth may be a severely swift marsupial, but that doesn't mean he's any kind of challenge to such a powerful elk as yourself.
I can't beat that sloth. I'm no good. I'm no good, I tell you.
There, Elmo. Always remember that he who is held aloft in the loving arms of good friends can always overcome any and all obstacles. Oh, look, there's the ice cream vendor.
She's right, Elmo. Let's not forget you're a great long-distance runner. The only time I ever run that fast, or even faster, is when Sharky the Shark Dog's trying to bite my little purple hiney.
I'm sure you're right, little kitty, but, I seem to have, torn my running shirt. I wonder if you could lend me a paw.
Sure, Elmo. It never hurts to help.
Just gotta make a few, quick alterations. Oh, and, I better, resole my running shoes. Now, if you'll just wait here, I'll, go find a suitable button that'll really, pull the, ensemble together.
You got it, incredible Elmo. Boy, there's no better feeling than helping an elk regain his dignity.
And now the patriotic warrior we've all been waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, the most nasty, vile, twisted, heartless, and diabolical, sociopathic patriotic warrior ever conceived. America's sweetheart, Platinum!
I'm Eek the Cat, and I'm sure having fun out here. Oompa Loompa. I mean Kumbaya. I hope Sharky doesn't catch me playing with his satellite dish. Hey, this would make a neat hammer. Uh-oh, there he is. I'll bet you'll never catch me, Sharky. I'll beat you to the, park.
Runners to the starting line, please. Runners to the starting line.
Uh-oh, Elmo better hurry or he'll miss the race.
Mommy?
Why, Eek the Cat, your table manners are positively scandalous. Why you?
Runners, take your marks.
Eye of the tiger. Eye of the tiger.
Kumbaya, Incredible Elmo better hurry up and make his alterations. He might miss the race, and it looks like Timmy's gravity problem is getting worse.
It's a beautiful view of the Metropolis racetrack from up here in the Timmy's Land, eh, Vic?
It sure is, Fur. What a beautiful day for a race.
Get set.
Oh, goody, that must be Incredible Elmo. Boy, he sure is making good time. He's Sharky!
Hey, wait a minute. I'm the champion here. I'm the guy on the cereal box, doggone it. No footloose fleeing feline's gonna turn my world upside down. Get him off! 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 Get him off!
Who could imagine that a marathon could be so exciting? Oh, Eek. Oh, Eek.
I will not be outrun by that meddlesome cat.
I gotta somehow win this race. It appears little Timmy's getting worse.
Houston, this is Timmy. Come in.
Oh, sure, maybe it's overkill, but I'd hate to lose any of my celebrity endorsements to that cat. Isn't that just typical? Now I gotta get a whole new fuse and set this up somewhere else. Hey, I caught something. My trap worked.
Oh, Eek. Fireworks. Who'd believe a day in the park could be so romantic? Come on, let's go for a walk. Oh, Eek, I just love our quiet quality time together.
Only 10 more miles to go. Running out of strength. Don't know if I can go on. Hold on, Sharky. I'll help you. I'll get some water. You're gonna be all right, Sharky. Uh-oh. Something tells me that wasn't a good thing. Can't feel my legs.
Well, once more a victory is at hand, and I'll be able to use that prize money for the betterment of mankind, and... Nah, I'll just buy a new set of golf clubs. That bloated purple cat is still in my tail.
Must not give up. Must win for Timmy. Boy, Sharky, you look like you just got jilted by your dream girl or something.
Ah, well, that silly cat will never catch up to me in a million. Huh?
Oh, gosh, you hurt. Ah!